chicken pieces that I maybe want to use for the cutlets, or chicken pieces that I want to use for stir fry. I have chicken thighs over there. I have pork loin, beautiful slices that I've cut from a pork loin today. And so what you do is you get, I have a chicken here that I've got. This is a whole chicken. And what I'm going to do with it is open this chicken up in the sink here so that I don't get the juices on everything all over the place here. So always be careful not to get your sink so full of chicken that you can get